Hello everyone, welcome to the channel How to Discover. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of YouTube like button not working. For example, there is a video. If you liked it, you can see that it is checked. But if you are not be able to like the YouTube videos, there are definitely two reasons. There is a bug in your YouTube app. For this, you have to come back and open the Play Store app and search the YouTube. There you can see the option of open, but if you see the option of update here, you will have to update the YouTube app first. After the update is complete, you will be able to like the YouTube videos. And the second is that you have to go open the mobile settings and click on the app management. There you can see the app list. Now you have to open the YouTube app here and click on the storage and cache. There you can see the option of clear all the cache. Click on it and now you have to come back. In this way you can fix the problem of YouTube like button not working. I hope you can understand the video. Please mention in the comments. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.